Hello and welcome back to our another video. In this particular video, I will be discussing about the hiring criteria and the incentive criteria for the NG Group hiring. NG Group is hiring for the unit manager investment role and it is in the Pune location. So let us move on to the incentive part first. The hiring incentive for this particular role is 7,820 rupees for every candidate who gets hired by you. The interview incentive is 500 for every candidate who gets up to the interview round, and it doesn't matter if he gets selected in the interview or if he don't get selected. But if he reaches till interview, you will be getting 500 for the particular candidate. The profile incentive is 100 rupees for every profile which matches the hiring criteria for the unit manager role. The number of position here is 7, and if you sum up and multiply the calculations too, you will be see that you can earn 50,000 rupees in just one go. So let's move on to the hiring criteria because it is very important for you to understand uh, what are the requirements for the particular job role. So the company name is NG Group and the job role here is unit manager investment. The open positions here is 7, experience requirement is 1 to 10 years, and the experience type we need is business to consumer B2C. The language we need is English or Hindi. English is compulsory. The fixed CTC here is 3.5 lakh per annum. The office location is in Pune. The age requirement is 21 to 32 years. You must not go below like 21 and not up before like 32. Mode of work here is on site in office. The education requirement is MBA in finance or marketing or MCOM, like any master's degree in the field of finance and marketing. The shift timing here is as per Indian standard, and the industry requirement for this particular job role is fintech and banking. Like if candidate is from these particular backgrounds, they have the better chance of getting hired. So if you have the profile which matches the hiring criteria for the unit manager, please let us know and refer us. Thank you.